Good morning, it's me again. Now I'm in Northamptonshire today. Now I'm looking at Len's collection. Now I was contacted by Anthony, as you know, to come and look at his collection, and I've had a quick walk round it, and we've had one video already of introducing the family, but it's a fantastic collection. They've got stationary engines, they've got tractors, Field Marshalls, Folsoms, Fergusons. Anyway, be great if you can come along and watch the video, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up for me. It'd be great. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. I would appreciate that. Anyway, shall we get on with the video now? Thank you very much. Right then, now that was special. We had an aerial view of it and we followed you around.
Right.
Now how long have you owned this tractor for?
This one only about 4 years.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Was it in this condition when you bought it?
Yeah, it was. Yeah, the chap who I bought it off had restored it. He obviously died. Yep. And his wife wanted to sell him off, so that's how I come by it.
You come by it?
Yeah.
And obviously you've got a few of these.
I've got 4 now, yeah.
You got 4 of them?
Yeah. And
I ain't got none. But anyway, yeah, so what brought you into Field Marshals then? Did you like the Field Marshals beforehand, or?
It's not really. My main passion was standard forces, would you believe? But when I first started working for myself, I had a bit extra money, spare money. I thought I'll invest in one, and they proved to be a good investment because they seem to appreciate in value more than probably maybe other tractors seem
more
to.
Than the bank does anyway, doesn't it?
More than the bank, especially that. Yeah. And so I bought my first one, I don't know, perhaps 15 odd years ago, perhaps more than that even. But anyway, then I liked them that much, and gradually I got a bit more money together, and I thought I'll have another one. They're all different. I've got Series 3, I'll tell you about that one in a minute, down the bottom. This is a Series 2 Mark 1.
Yep.
Another one is a Series 2 Contractor.
And what's the Contractor? Is that an industrial type one, or?
No, it was the one that farmers bought especially for threshing. Oh, okay. That's what's got the winch on for pulling the threshing drum in and out of stacked rick yards.
Oh, okay.
You know, and they had lights fitted. This one hasn't got lights, but there was about another £300 dearer.
Oh, okay.
When the Marshalls came out, I think they were about £600-700. They was another couple of £300 dearer.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Smashing. As I say, it's looking really nice. Anyway, what I was going to do, I mean, if it's all right with you, bring your sons in, and I know you've just shut it down for me, but you can show me how you start it up.
Yeah, we'll start it there.
Is that with the shotgun cartridge?
I tried it this morning with a shotgun cartridge. We'll try it again now it's warm. It might go all right.
Yeah.
With the cartridge.
That'd be fantastic.
And then if you want, we'll start it with the hand.
Oh, you can do it by hand as well?
Yeah, either or either.
Let's have a walk round. You show me where you do it by hand.
Right. Let's get the.
And we've got the heavy mob with us as well. Anthony's going to be.
I'll keep out the way. Get the papers, won't I?
Stuart's on the handle.
I'll get the papers and the.
We want a little hammer, sir, for getting the paper out.
So go on, carry on. Tell me what you're going to do.
This is cartridge holder.
Right, let's get out of the sun.
Well, I've got to get a hammer because it's gone
a bit tight.
No, it's not.
No.
Stuart's gone to fetch the cartridges and the paper.
Are they a special type of paper?
Yeah, saltpeter. You get them from Crawford's now. In fact, I'll show you them in a minute when he brings them up.
Oh, you can still get them then?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah. You buy proper, and you buy proper Field Marshal cartridges as well. If Stuart brings the box up, hope he will. Come see if he can bring them all up.
And you put the Linton paper in this one, as you say,
paper in that one, cartridge in that one. That's the breech for the cartridge.
And this is the hammer piece.
That's the little striker.
Yeah.
Yeah.
As you say, it looks so well.
Set the valve in the head differently for a hand start or a cartridge start.
All right. So
if we're going to sorry.
Tell me that again.
If we're going to cartridge start, we have to alter the little valve in the head.
Okay. And what does that do?
That diverts the power or the pressure from the cartridge into the cylinder.
Oh, okay.
It's a little valve that diverts it. Yeah.
Yeah. Now they obviously come in tracked versions of these. Have you ever thought about a tracked Field Marshal, or is it not your thing?
Yeah, not really. the logistics of moving those, being on steel tracks as well. I mean, the steel wheel forces are bad enough on my little Arthur Williams trailer, so they make a mess of the floor. Yeah, so I've never really, but they were Fowlers, weren't they? The track ones.
So what sort of weight are we carrying on?
About 3 tonne.
About 3 tonne.
About 3 tonne these are, yeah.
Oh, fancy. Oh, here we go. We've Stuart. He's got the necessary.
Had a 12-bore blank.
That's its blank cartridge.
It ain't got no shot in it.
No, full of black powder. Full of black powder.
Yeah.
And these lint you were telling us about.
These are the little
other papers
that you start them with. They just smoulder. You see. You fold them up, put them in.
Now, do you use that in compassing with the shotgun cartridge, or do you?
Yeah, you have to use them.
You have to use these.
Oh, you have to use them all the time.
Yeah.
And we've got a lighter, I presume, as well, have we?
Yeah. So what are we going to do?
Don't just stand here looking pretty, Anthony.
We'll try and cartridge start it first then.
Yeah, that'd be great. And if that don't work, we'll get Anthony, because he's standing around with his hands in his pockets.
I'm not swinging it.
Swinging it.
No. I like ones where you turn a key.
Well, use a hole in there, seems to be right. So I took 4 attempts to do it this morning, didn't it, when it was cold?
Right, that's that. Right, let's have a hammer.
Hammer.
I set you arming on your floor.
Yeah, we've done that. So it just pops into.
Yeah, I'll show you. Put the cartridge into the breech. There. That's this little striker pin.
And
don't hit it before we're ready though.
Nod your head and I'll hit it. Is that right?
You're nearly right. Right. So that's set there. What we do, have to set the flywheel.
Full throttle.
Give it some throttle, else it won't inject the fuel.
Right. Okay.
Hear the creak, the injector creak.
The injector.
So that's what, set the wheel on the first rim of the that's the decompressor wheel.
Oh, okay.
As the flywheel turns, that wheel goes round and drops off, releases the low compression. The valve goes in. Hopefully, she'll start.
Right. I'll stand back.
That.
Stuart's on the ready. How long would one of them papers last for, Stuart?
Oh, I burn pretty quickly.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
They just smoulder.
Yeah.
They just smoulder, yeah.
It's like saltpetre, isn't it?
Probably it's warm it'll go.
Yeah. That's it. The wind's just dropped nicely for you as well, isn't it?
Just a little tap on the.
Worked a treat. That was excellent. Thank you, Stuart. And I'm not going to thank Anthony because he didn't do nothing.
No. So we want to start again with the handle now.
Yeah. We want to show the viewers that the handles start on it because while we're here, because this is the one out of the shed. So we're still got to put the
still got to put the ignition paper in all the time.
Yep.
Right. So this time we put the decompressor on the third rim. Robin?
Yep.
So
throttle up.
See if she's creaking. Yeah.
There you go.
There is a start mark. Can you just perhaps you can't pick that out on there?
Yep.
And you get that in line with the arrow on the oil.
Okay, let's see if I can get that in there. Might be able to.
So the reason you give it 3
so it goes around
maybe
3
so
times.
you get it enough umpers in the starting handle. Give you a few more turns.
Yeah.
Throttle set.
Put the handle in.
Yeah.
Oh, we've got to do something different this time down here, haven't we?
Oh, I've done it. Oh, sorry. Yeah. That was for cartridge start, and you push that in and twist it for hand start.
Fantastic. And Stuart's back on the lighting.
Back on the. If the wind don't blow the bloody match out.
She's doing. Handling ready.
Yes. I've got to say, Anthony was the one who contacted me, but he ain't done a thing yet.
No. He will do. You got going.
Get good ember going.
Yeah.
But I shan't be swinging that.
No.
No. I've already had one earlier operation.
Oh, right, okay. Right. Are you alright with that, Len?
Yeah. Still will help me.
It takes two, does it?
Well, yeah. It's a bit awkward, but.
go. Hope you enjoyed this video, and like I said to you before, if you like seeing it starting and stops and driving around, give it a thumbs up for me. And I've got to thank Len and his family. They've been excellent of starting and stopping it for me, doing all the business on it, and they're very great. I'm very grateful for that, just for me and for you. But as I say, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It'll make it more visible to more farmers, engineers, that sort of thing. And we've got some more videos coming up. It's got a fantastic collection of all different types of tractors and stationary engines, and we'll get onto them in a minute. Thanks, Elaine.